How's it going, YouTube? This is going to be my second video for today. My previous video I posted I was going to an estate sale, and these are my pickups. 1981 Huffy BMX. It's in decent condition. Picked that up. It was marked $5. I'll probably end up flipping that locally. Maybe get 50-60 bucks out of it. And this is not the greatest of finds, but it's still a decent little watch. It's a woman's Nastrix. It's called a Kaleidoscope. It's a mechanical movement. That was $2. I told you in previous videos about Zippo lighters. This is a brand new, never fired 60 Zippo with the paperwork. Let's see, it's an older lighter. Paid $15 for that. That's probably a, I don't know, $60 to $80 lighter. And then the best find was this. This was in the basement, and the first time through I didn't see it. And about 20 minutes later I went back down to the basement, and I could not believe that I missed it. It was $20. No barrel, but it's a Parker Brothers double barrel shotgun from the early 1900s. There's some patent dates on here, like 1910. But yeah, just a crazy find. If you want to look these up on eBay, I'll put this on, and I most guarantee immediately I'll have people asking what's my buy it now price. I'm not exactly sure what this gun will bring. I'm guessing between $400 and $600. But yeah, just a crazy find today. So remember, guys, just remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.